What is up, different gang? It is Dark Beauty 92.5 coming to you live, and today I have a Shopmissa haul to show you guys. So if you don't know what that website is, first I'll link it below. But second, this is a website where you can get a whole bunch of cool makeup for just $1, like literally $1. And then it's $35. All you gotta do is spend $35 for free shipping. So of course I was like, let me do the free shipping, and I ended up getting like I got like 30 to 40 products on this website. I'm so excited to show you all the things that I got, and because I got so many products, I know that this will be very long. Also, I filmed this video before and it was about 20 minutes, but I had lipstick all over my teeth and I was like, I'm not doing it. So to be safe, I put Carmex on today so we don't have none of them problems, because I'm not trying to have none of them problems again today. Also, I got my hair done. This is my real hair. I don't really show my real hair off a lot on this channel, but I just got a little wash and press. Cute. Alright, so let me get started with this haul because it's going to take days. So like I said, this is a refilm because it was lipstick all over my teeth on the first one. So the box is already open. Stuff is literally like everywhere, but we're still just going to get right into it. So the first thing that I see in here is this eyeshadow primer, and I like this eyeshadow primer because it has like a glowy kind of highlightery look to it. So it's not just a regular eyeshadow primer, it's more like a glam illuminating eyeshadow primer. And again, like I said, everything that I got is $1 except for one thing. The next thing that I got, which I think is really cool, is the beauty blender holder. And I just think little stuff like this that they have on their website was so cute, and I just had to get me one. And it's very efficient, and I'm gonna just get me one in different colors because I know they had different colors, but I just started off with a black because it was a basic color. And then I also got this makeup bag for $1 as well, and I just figured because I am about to be a nursing student. By the way, I got accepted into nursing school. Because I'm about to be a nursing student and then I love makeup, I feel like this bag just described me so well because this reminds me of like the first aid kit symbol, and then it says emergency beauty kit. So I'm like, this is awesome. The next thing that I got is this Wonder Jelly blending brush, and blending sponge, and I always wanted one of these because it was just something different that's in the makeup world to me. Like, I guess you use it kind of like how you'll use a beauty blender, but it's gel like, and I'm just curious as to how to use this and what to do with it, so that's why I got it, just to try something new. The next thing I got was a brush cleaner, and I'm so happy that I got this because sometimes I was tired of using like makeup wipes to, like, let's just say I want to use the same brush for a different color eyeshadow, because before I didn't have a lot of brushes like I do now. And instead of just like, you know, obviously I don't want that color to affect the next color and I'll have to wipe it off, and I'll use a makeup wipe, which then it'll be wet and then it'll just like kind of mess it up a little bit. So I'm glad that I got this where I can just wipe it off on here. It's like a little sponge thing in here, and then all the excess makeup will come off. So I'm excited to have gotten this. Another thing that I got was this pre-lash and hyper lash mascara, and it's just a kit together. So you put this white bottle on first, and I guess it just like, I don't know what it does honestly, but that's why I got it, to try it. But it might just kind of insinuate your lashes a little more, and then you put the actual mascara or the hyper lash on. So I'm just excited to try this mascara kit. I also got 2 more brushes that came together, and I think this was $2. Anything that comes in 2, it might be $2, but still at the end of the day, you're only paying $1 for each item. But I got a kabuki brush and then like a minier kabuki brush. So I'm happy to add these 2 brushes to my set because I didn't have any of these in my makeup brush collection. The next thing that I see in here is this lip scrub almond cream, which I'm excited to try, and I really wanted to have the strawberry one or the cherry one, but those are all sold out, and this is the only one that was left. And I have a feeling this might just taste way nastier, and that's why it was still up and not sold out like the other ones were. But I'm just excited to try it. I know I want to try a lip scrub from e.l.f., but like their lip scrub is in like a lipstick form. It like looks weird, and I was just kind of weirded out by it, so I didn't do it. But I just got this one. The The next two things that I got are lipsticks, and it's so crazy because look at the colors that I got them in. Like, I don't even like lipstick like that. And then when I do order lipstick, I got in the craziest colors. I got it in a red and a blue, and these are matte lipsticks, and I really just wanted to try the blue mostly, and I got this. I think this was just one of those things I added to the cart because I didn't hit that $35 mark yet for free shipping, so I'm just like, what the hey. I got these two crazy colors. I'll try them out on some type of video so that y'all can see what they look like, if I even think it's good enough to show. So the next thing that I'm so excited to get is this mask applicator or mask brush, and I am just like, this is one of the things that I actually went on there to look for, because if you didn't see my last mask review video, which I'll put in the card down, it would be at the end of my video. I just use my hands to do it, and I really don't like doing that because, you know, it's germs on your hands. I don't really like touching my face with my hands, so I'm just so happy that I have a mask applicator, and now I can just use the mask freely and not have to use my hands for it. So this is one of the things that I was most excited out of all the things that I got. There's literally so much stuff in here. So the next thing that I got were lashes, and I'm gonna try to get all of them so I can just show them all together. Pretty sure this is all of them, so I'm gonna just show you the different kinds that I got. So since I'm usually, like, I have lashes on right now, and y'all probably can barely tell because they're not really that dramatic, and these are my dramatic ones. Like, I'm gonna just come in closer so that y'all can see. Those are like my dramatic ones. Usually I get the ones that literally are so natural you really can't tell that I have lashes on at all. So because I kind of wanted to get out of that phase, get a little bit more dramatic with my lashes, because really I don't really wear no makeup besides everything that has to do with the eyes, such as eyebrows, eyeshadow, eyelashes. So I'm like, why not even make it a little bit more pronounced? So that's why these lashes are so dramatic. When I looked at these lashes yesterday, I was like, maybe I went a little bit too overboard, but these are one of the ones that I think are really cute, and I cannot wait to try it. And it is the Amelia kind, and I just think these are exactly the kind that I wanted. So I'm gonna go back and order some more, only because they're $1 and I think they look so cute, just like any other ones that might be $6, but this is only $1, so I like these ones. Now the ones that I think I went way too dramatic on, and I end up ordering two of them, is the Stella one, and I mean the violet one, and it's these. Like, I think I went a little bit too dramatic. These don't even look natural anymore to me, but I'm gonna just try to use that one method where you take the mascara brush and try to rub it so I can make it look more natural and see if that helps. But as of right now, I don't even see myself wearing these. I'm not about to look like no freaking Black Hawk. Like, no. Like, happy to test it, but just really am unsure about it. And then the next one that I got is in Stella, which I think is a little bit more toned down but really cute. And then the other one that I got is Natalia, which is really more so like a transition. Like, it's more bold than the ones I have on now, but less bold than the other ones that I just showed you. So the next thing that I got, which cost the most money, which was just $5, is this oval brush set. What is this oval brush set? And although it did cost $5, it's 5 items in here, so literally it's still $1 for each item. I just keep emphasizing that it's $1 for each item, so y'all know that this is not clickbait. Like, literally everything that I got was $1. But I was so happy to get these brushes, and I seen somebody, I think it was Hawa, I believe it was her, I'm not really sure, but she used the oval brush to apply her foundation, and I'm like, oh no, I'm not using no type of beauty blender no more. Like, I just felt like this was the truth, and y'all should feel how soft these bristles are. It's like, it doesn't even feel like bristles. I can't even explain it, but the way that the makeup and foundation blended in when I think it was Howard did her makeup, I was like, oh no, I have to get me one. So I'm so excited. And my biggest fear when I got all these things for $1 is that everything will be like miniature, like everything will be extra small. But these are actually like life-size items. Like, I thought it would be like samples, or like all, like this brush would be like travel size, but no, this is the actual size brush of what I would want, and I'm just excited. What is that? But I got 5 brushes, and these are the different ones. So yeah, that just fell out. Wow. But I'm excited to try these, all of these. The next thing I got is this highlighter fan brush, and I'm so excited to get this because I'm excited to get any brushes, but most importantly this one because I just think it's so pretty when people put this little finishing touch with their highlighter. And plus, since I'm still like a beginner makeup artist, I never know what you're supposed to use to apply your highlighter besides the like applicator that a highlighter might come with. So I'm happy that I finally got a brush that I know for sure is what people use for highlighter. So I'm going to try it out and see how much I like it. And hopefully, like, although I think highlighter is cute, I'm not a big fan of having too much highlighter, especially like on my skin tone. I just don't want me to look like I have so much makeup on, you know. So I hope this, since it's like a little bit of bristles and it's not too thick, it'll rub on like just how I want it to. The next thing that I got, which I already opened up just to kind of pull my hair up earlier, is this 36 piece of hair ties. And I really like these hair ties compared to like Miss Goody or something like that, because the Miss Goody hair ties break on me so much. I think I probably got the wrong size and it was too small. Like, you could literally only tie your hair up one time with the Miss Goody brand, and I was just like, I'm not having it. So I tried theirs, 36 pieces for only $1, and it's like the best hair ties that I had in a long time, especially for the prices that they are. The next thing that I got are makeup remover wipes, which I'm really not a fan of switching up my makeup remover wipes, but the fact that this was like green tea and this was rose water, those are two things that I know are really good for you. Although I know it might just be based on fragrance or whatever, but it's not too many ingredients in there at all as well. And I'm just happy to try these, especially the rose water one, because I know that one, rose water, is just supposed to be like really healthy for your skin. The next thing that I got, which I kind of broke a little bit yesterday, is this baked highlighter. And I'm not really sure if it's the right highlight color for me, because I like almost brownish golds, which online this did look like a brownish gold, and I kind of think this is a brownish gold. But when it comes on, I don't know. Well, I guess, yeah, that's a good enough color. Because like I said, I don't like my highlighter to define. But it is more of like a pinkish and more than I want it to. And I don't want it to show up too light. So that's my biggest fear. And this is like how it is when I blend it in. So that actually might be okay. Just not put too much highlighter on there. I said, I just don't like looking, I don't know. I know a lot of girls love for their face to be glazed and stuff. Me, nah, it's just, I just want, if you see it hitting in some places in the sun, that's all right with me. So I just got this one, and then I hope it shows up like this. That is good enough for me. The next thing I got was a baked eyeshadow. I don't even remember ordering this color because I don't know why I would order this weird looking color. Maybe because it was the top one on the best selling page, because that's the only thing I can think of. But the color does look really pretty. It's like a ruby red, honestly. But I don't have anything this color, but it might make a really good fire look. So that is a pretty color for an eyeshadow, I'm not even gonna lie. But I just don't know why I would get it, because I don't know, but it's cute. So the next thing that I got is just a basic eyeshadow primer, like the one I said before. It's like a glowy illuminating primer, but this one is just a basic one to see if because actually ever since I got my Profusion palette, it came with the eyeshadow primer, and I never ever bought eyeshadow primer after that. So this will be my first time trying an eyeshadow primer, and if I like it just as much as I like the Profusion eyeshadow primer, then I know where to order my primer from. And I'm glad that it came in a tube that's this size, and the Profusion one was literally maybe the size of the cap right here. We finally winding down in this box after 18 minutes. Wow, that's crazy. Even though it might not be at 18-minute mark when I edit it, but still. The thing that I got is so me. I don't know if y'all know this, but I am like obsessed with keychains. And I know like anytime somebody says, what do you want, you go from out of town, I say a keychain, and people probably looking like, don't just say that because you think that's like the cheapest thing. But no, I really love keychains. So I got a keychain, and it's so me because I don't know if y'all know, but I like calling myself a queen, and I don't know, it's just something about crowns that just get me. So this is one of the things that I got, which is also one of the things that just took me over to the $35 mark for free shipping. This is one of those things, because literally it was so exhausting, like I like swore that I got so much stuff, but mind you, all this stuff is $1. I went to my cart, I only had $14 worth of stuff. So imagine me having to go back on the website and have to pick out like 15 to 18 more things of stuff that I don't need, just playing around with stuff. So it was just crazy. This is the keychain and it's just so mean. I cannot wait to put it on my keys because it's so pretty. The next thing that I got is this Perfecting, and I believe it's just the face primer. It does come in a good enough size too, because I thought it was way more than this. I thought it was going to be more so like a lip gloss bottle, and this is just like a little bit thicker. And I don't know if y'all can see inside of, yeah, y'all can see the little glitters inside of there. I wonder if that's going to show up on my face. I think that would be mad cool to have glitter all over my face. And I'm also going to see how it looks on my skin, because I might use the primer like just on my clavicle, on my collarbone, because I think that'd be so cute. But yep, I got a Perfecting Blur Primer, and I really wanted a primer that doesn't hydrate my face too much, because I don't know, around this time I just have oily skin. I think it's because I be putting like shea butter and coconut oil everywhere, and I don't know, somehow it's just smushes up on my face, and I don't like an oily face. So hopefully that isn't too hydrating. I'll let you guys know, update on that, or I might just do a review. So we are finally at the bottom. Wow, that was like trash. We're finally at the bottom of the box. I only got 2 things left to show you. So the first one, of course, is a brow pomade. I literally get brow stuff from every single brand that I order from, because I'm still trying to see if anything is better than e.l.f. For some reason, like e.l.f. is what I have on my eyebrows right now. I literally cannot get out of wearing e.l.f. brow pomade, because I haven't found one that is better than this. Like the NYX one, I know for sure stays on for a long time, but when it dries up, it's like not my eyebrow color. So I either gotta find a darker one or something else, but I could have sworn the NYX one that I got was the darkest shade. It does look like a little less product than I expected, but I mean, oh well, it was only $1. And then the last thing that I got was this concealer, which I believe might be way too light for my skin tone, but I know how to blend it in, so I'm gonna just see how it works. I might just do a whole eyebrow kind of tutorial / review using the AOA Studio concealer and their eyebrow pomade, and then it'll be like a 2-in-1 review. If you guys want to see that, most definitely comment below. As I was putting my stuff up, I realized I forgot to show you guys one thing, and I'm like, and I know I could have did without showing you all, but I just wanted to show you everything that I got. And it's this cleaning egg. Actually it's more like a, I don't even know what to call it, but basically it looks like the sole of a shoe, to be honest. But you take your cleaning brush, and as you're cleaning your brush, it's just a nice little place to assist the cleaning. Like I just got some brush shampoo, so I just really needed this. So this is the one thing that was essential to all of the stuff that I got. But yeah, that's all. So we have came to the conclusion of this haul. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. It's literally no joke. Everything that I got was $1. Every single thing. And I really recommend this website to all my beauty gurus, to all my YouTube creators, because I feel like this also makes great content, because it's like a big old P.O. box or mystery box, because it did take like 7 to 10 days before my stuff came here, so I didn't even remember what I ordered. But let me know, first of all, if y'all like this setting. Really, I think this is a dope spot, honestly, even though it's in the living room. But I just think it's a dope spot. So let me know in the comments below if you like this spot. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Also, click the subscribe button in the circle with my picture in it at the last 20 seconds of this video on my end screen. It is Dark Beauty 925 signing out of this live. Bye.